Hi students, in my previous class I told you about simple sentence and compound sentence. Today we shall learn about a complex sentence. But question is, what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. A complex sentence is made up of one main clause and one and more subordinate clauses. About main clause, I have told you everything. You know very well what is main clause. Today we shall concentrate on subordinate clause. In what way a subordinate clause is different from a main clause. And I give you a sentence, a complex sentence. If you work hard, you will get success. If you work hard, you will get success. In this sentence, which is a complex sentence, which part is the main clause? Tell me, which part is the main clause? You will get success is a main clause. But which part is a subordinate clause? If you work hard. If you work hard is a subordinate clause and you will get success is a main clause. Now, how can we know that this part, if you work hard, is a subordinate clause? A subordinate clause can't make complete sense on its own. If we separate it from a complex sentence, a subordinate clause can't stand on its own. It is not of the same rank as a main clause is. If a main clause is separated from sentence, a main clause can stand as a full-fledged sentence. But subordinate clause can't. If you work hard, you will get success. If we remove this part, if you work hard, will it make complete sense? If you work hard, then it is dependent on you will get success. So a subordinate clause is dependent on a main clause to make a complete sense. So in a complex sentence we can have a main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. I give you another sentence. You got success because you worked hard. You got success because you worked hard. Now this sentence, which is a complex sentence, tell me which part is a subordinate clause? Tell me which part is a subordinate clause? Because you worked hard is a subordinate clause. Does it make complete sense? No, it is dependent on you got success. So you got success is a main clause. So we have to understand this. Now there are three kinds of subordinate clauses which we must know. Noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Now what is a noun clause? For this we have to understand 5 functions of a noun. A noun can perform 5 functions. And in the same way, a subordinate clause, if it is a noun clause, can perform 5 functions. These 5 functions are like this. Number 1, as a subject of a verb. As a subject of a verb. And here I give you example. That he will get this prize, that he will get this prize is unbelievable. That he will get this prize is unbelievable. Now tell me which part is the noun clause? That he will get prize, that he will get this prize is noun clause, because this clause is the subject of the verb is. Understand? This is noun clause. I give you another sentence. What he did was shocking. What he did was shocking. What he did is what? It's a noun clause, because it is working as a subject of the verb is. So do you understand? That noun clause you will find mostly when you find a noun clause in the beginning of a sentence, 9 out of 10 times it is the subject of the verb. Second function, object of a verb. He said that he would work hard. He would work hard is what clause? It is a noun clause. And what function does it perform here? It is the object of the verb said, he wished that his friend might live long. That his friend might live long is the object of the verb wished. And third function is the object of the preposition. A noun clause can function as an object of a preposition. I give you one example here. I am looking forward to how he responds to my request. I am looking forward to how he responds to my request. The part how he responds to my request is a noun clause. Here the noun clause is the object of the preposition to. So a noun clause is a clause which has subject and predicate of its own, and it works as a noun. Now the fourth function, noun in apposition. Noun in apposition means when a noun is there in a sentence and some more information is given about this, this is noun in apposition. It is my thought that hard work pays in the long run. It is my thought that hard work pays in the long run. Which word is noun here? The word noun is here thought. And that hard work pays in the long run gives us more information about thought. What is the thought? That hard work pays in the long run. This clause is clause in apposition. Apposition of this noun thought. Okay? It's my hope that this world will change. It's my hope that world will change. What is hope here? Hope is noun. And which clause is giving more information about hope? That the world will change. This is the fourth function. And fifth and last function is to be a complement of a verb of incomplete predication. Verb of incomplete predication. Like, this is what he did. This is what he did. This is after each. If we don't write what he did, the meaning of is will not be complete. Is verb, and what he did is complement. So these are the 5 functions of a noun, and noun clause performs these 5 functions. You must know all these, revise what I have taught you today, and please consult your grammar book and go to the chapter simple, compound and complex sentences and how to interchange them. Okay, and if you have any queries to make, if you have any problem, write in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Have a fantastic day.